What's up, everyone? Well, once again, I have done 2 finales on this product thinking that was the end, but I got another box of Road to WrestleMania 2017, all of which have been great. Was actually looking to buy more 2018, thinking these were dried up, and nope, found more. Only bought 1 box at the moment, so we'll see how it goes. And we'll see if I can get more from here. But yeah, every time I think I'm done with this, manage to find more. I can't complain about that because this is definitely one of the better sets. And hopefully this video goes better than my last one. I was actually unaware. I had bought some of the new WrestleMania 2020 blasters, not realizing that my phone was literally almost out of space, so the video kept cutting off. Had no idea what was going on. Well, I'll just say maybe I'll do those hits in another video, but you guys did not miss anything. Fortunately, it was mostly typical blaster fare, other than a numbered card. But I've got more of those to open. I did clear off a bunch of stuff on the phone, so hopefully no issues with videos going forward. But I'm glad it was something that wasn't really a big deal for that to happen. Obviously, WrestleMania was last week. Haven't really, I guess my last video was over last weekend, so I have not talked about it yet. And I enjoyed it for the most part. You know, the Boneyard match was something different. Well, I wasn't a real fan of the Firefly Funhouse. Did like that they had the old Saturday Night's Main Event intro with the Obsession music. They don't even have that on the network, so I don't know if it's just something they slipped by, something they had to pay extra for. But I like that part regardless, and that was a very small part of the whole thing. I thought Rhea Ripley, versus Charlotte Flair was amazing. Love to see a rematch there, see them in front of a crowd. But yeah, that was the highlight of both nights for me. And I've said it before, I'll say it again. I'm just thankful to have something. I know it's weird with no fans and all that, but with everything else shut down, and I'm pretty much just a wrestling guy anyway. But I am grateful to still have it during this time. Also have something else cool coming for the museum. Hopefully today. It was supposed to show up yesterday. And I got the dreaded arriving late thing when I looked up the tracking. And if you're a collector of any type, you know how much that just sucks. And I will say, with that piece of merchandise I'm getting, there will be, I don't want to spoil it too much, but there will be an accompanying video. So it's definitely something you're going to want to see. And we got early Braun Strowman, which, interesting that they reference the Wyatt family and they're doing that thing with him and Bray now. So yeah, we're going nice and deep into this box. Nothing yet. So again, I'm sure whatever it is will probably be pretty cool. At least hopefully so, since again, none of these boxes have let me down thus far. Which, when you're talking about these Topps product, is not an easy thing to say. And I was originally going to open a 2019 box, which haven't quite been at the level of 17 or 18, but still good. But then I got my hands on this. think we're making decent time here too. And still no hits. But I'm fully confident. You know, sometimes I go, whoa, where are the hits if we haven't gotten them by this point? But I'm very confident with this product. It's been, oh, and I think we have a hit. And it is a printing plate. Yellow printing plate for Cesaro. Kind of wish it was a Kiss card, but hey, printing plate's still cool. Not a matte relic, 1 of 1. So basically, we're just looking for an auto and a numbered card. So as far as I'm concerned, you know, no matte relic means this box is still a winner, and I will continue to seek them out. All right, I believe looks like we got 6 packs left. Oop. Down to our last 4 packs. Yeah, I don't think that's valid anymore. Three packs. All right, 2 packs left. And this is the point where I wonder if I missed the auto, but again, probably not. All right, final pack. And I guess if there was a numbered card, I missed it. All right, and our autograph is Shinsuke Nakamura. Cool, I do not have him yet. So I consider that a win and on card. So I did miss the numbered card, but other than that, another solid box. And that's it. I may, if I get that other piece I was talking about, have another video coming up soon. Other than that, thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.